Hi, Boltol from Boltol.com, and I'm gonna show you tonight that Thunderwolves works for the Mac. Well, first of all, some website on a cool stuff, lots of games, Dust, Amiga, MSX games, especially Windows games. And I'm gonna focus at the moment on a specific game, Thunderwolves. You can go on a game page on several ways using the Here button from the blog or the GamePod's link up in the top bar. This is still the old site. So very soon there will be a new one, and yeah, this site will be totally different, but some stuff will be the same. You can go to the action games, because yeah, it's an action game. You can find the game totally below. Thunderwolves. If you don't own the game yet, you can get it from Gamesgate. It's $9.99 at the moment. It's the 33% off. You can use the serial from after the purchase. You can use the serial for the wrapper, which you can download from the download page up here. This one is hosted on Mediafire, which is well, at the moment there are some download issues with the Open Drive, as you can see on the homepage. But when this video when you hear this video, it might be already fixed, of course. But at the moment, as we speak, there's a download problem on Open Drive, which I expect to be fixed today. So so if you watch this video today, then you know that there are some download issues at the moment. So this one I have hosted on Mediafire. You can download it. Click on a button and you will download the file up here. Click on save. Or you can, oh, of course, another thing. This is an 7Z extension. This is new. This is the first game which I've used this compression format. No disk images anymore, because there were some issues with people that they opened the game in the disk image instead of moving the wrapper to the desktop first. So this will, well, at least makes the wrapper foolproof. So this is just extract and play again. So very handy compression software is KK. KK is free. Just search for KK Mac, and then you can click on the top thing, and you can download it freely up here. Click on the download, and then you can use this program to unarchive all your formats mentioned up here. This I already use as well. So after downloading the wrapper from the download page, from the download tab, you can you click OK to open it with KK. This will mean it will first download the file and then it will extract it. So it's the same effect when double clicking the zip file. Now I already, of course, downloaded it and of course tested it. Now I'm gonna show you, because I need to download the whole game again in Steam. So that's why I have a test thingy up here. Look, there it is. Normally I would double click this one again and then start it, but I will use this one now because the game's already pre-installed. So in your case it will be running wrapper, fill in your account stuff of Steam, and then you can add the game with the serial from Gamesgate. Click on activate a project in Steam, click on next, I agree, paste it in here, click on next, finish, and it will download. If you already purchased the game in the past, then you can click on your library and double click it, and then it will install. So, well, for me it's already pre-installed, as you can see. To save some time for this video, I just click listen play, and the game will start. Simply as that. So, I'm quickly gonna show you one game, single player. You'll do mission 1. I'll do the tutorial 2. Okay. Start.
Good morning, Max. So I got good news and bad news. The good news is we like you, so you're not fired. The bad news is our insurance barely covered expenses from your last rampage,
so alright, let's skip the stuff. So this really looks a little bit like
Ranger fucking Rick. B, I care about one thing. Can you shoot? C, you kinda look like a blister I had on my ass once. Therefore your nickname is Blister. Copy? And don't say sir. Yes, sir. I mean, yes, turn right.
it really looks like a bit like Desert Strike in the past. Oops. Good job.
Okay, here comes the turkey shoot. Got him. It's a good start. Hell yeah! That's a real gunner, damn it. Got him! You sure don't look like a gunner, but you could be. Damn right. Smoked him! Wolf 1, there's serious firepower for you over by one of the hangars. Go and pick it up. Maybe now things will get interesting, huh? We out of ammo or something? This is some grade A type shit right here. Next up is your combat exercise. Your tangos are ships near the coast. Locate and destroy them all. You got this, Blister? I got this, Chief. Booyah! Not bad. Done. Fire at will. Finally!
Well, played 2 missions and worked all awesome.
Holy shit, rocket! What the hell? We got a situation. Minutes ago, pirates attacked a coastal village near your position. Suspend training ASAP and repel this assault. You are free to engage all hostiles. To be clear, this is not a training exercise. Unless we train these pirates to behave themselves. Got him! Going in, weapons hot! Fire at will! The village is clear. That's it? Those were pussy-ass pirates. I've got a visual on more hostiles. I see them. Wolf 1, careful. Do not engage civilians. Defend the Humvee until otherwise ordered.
Mayday! Hey, what the hell happened?
Protect the survivors, Wolf 1.
Done and done. That's it. Who's next? We've got company. Incoming chopper. I got this. That hurt. Wrong way. Woohoo!
Extract them and get the hell out.
Get in, let's go! Thanks, Liz. Welcome aboard.
Wolf 1, return to base. We have new orders.
So, Blister, that was fun, huh? I'm Sergeant Hall, not Blister. Huh? You say something, Blister?
Max, we'll address him as Sergeant Hall.
It's okay. Blister's cool. Okay, pack leader, what's the mission? Where are we going this?
Oh yeah. Well, works awesome. How about close this? Quit. So, thank you for watching. Hope to see you back on Politalka. If you love the work I do, you can always donate on my website, become a premium member, support my hard work. And yeah, spread the word and see you back on Politalka. Bye bye.